Fhadhb an fís nuair don Chumann ag préomhú, bhíor cheannasaithe na hagraíochta aige thuairtear iringí deacra a bhain na saol polatúil agus cultúrtha an tuaiscirt. Bhí dra ide a thuairta agus monága leanúnach mar eolar a mallrúocht sa Chumann.
He attended the funeral of Aidan McAnespie in County Monaghan last month. Mr. McAnespie was on his way to a Gaelic football match when he was shot dead after passing a British Army checkpoint at Auchnacloy. A British soldier has since been charged in connection with the incident.
Well, the significance of what happened to Aidan McAnespie went beyond the awfulness of what happened to him and his family, because the circumstances of a young man walking the short distance from his home to a football match and being shot dead sent out a symbolic signal that you couldn't be 100% safe if you had an association with the GAA in the north. It created that perception that you couldn't relax completely if you were a GAA member. Now, that may seem irrational to people sitting in a house in Offaly or a house in Galway or a house in Tipperary, but that was a very real feeling. It's like a stone being dropped into a pond. That was significant, but the ripples that came from the initial incident were as significant, if not more significant, than what happened originally.
I assure Congress that to my certain knowledge, the death of one of our members on his way to a game at Auchnacloy, Aidan McAnespie, is but the tip of an iceberg of continuing and deliberate harassment of our members.
Despite all the tragedies, and the GAA were one of the biggest single groups that were targeted more than any other in all that period. They lost several people who were murdered there unashamedly because they were members of the Gaelic Association. I'll tell you, sending GAA presidents and be officers down to a funeral of a GAA man in Derry or Antrim or anywhere else who would be murdered, it wasn't easy. It was a difficult assignment for the GAA and a difficult concept for the whole GAA nationally, really, really was.
Faoi dhearan na nochtádaí, bhí ceann na tréimhsí buhuama a stair na héireann thart. Ach bhí mór